Do you want to spark a lifelong love for English in your students? But where do you begin? What if the answer was as simple as once upon a time? It truly is. Welcome to Fairy Tales, graded readers for young learners, published by Education Publishing, a magical new series designed to transform English learning into an adventure. With 12 captivating tales from the beloved Brothers Grimm, this series will guide your young learners on an unforgettable journey. This carefully structured series is perfectly aligned with the Common European Framework, CEFR, and follows the official word lists and syllabus of the Cambridge YLE exam, starters, movers, and flyers. We begin this enchanting journey with level pre-A1, starters, like taking your very first step into a vibrant, magical garden. Imagine your students' delight as they step into the pond with the ugly duckling, feeling his loneliness turn to joy as he transforms. They'll hold their breath as the princess discovers true love's kiss alongside the frog prince, breaking an ancient spell. Picture them exploring a cozy cottage with Snow White and the 7 dwarfs, sharing their tiny meals and sweet dreams. And they'll puzzle over the mysterious, tricky name of Rumpelstiltskin, eager to uncover his secret. These beloved characters leap from the page in simple, inviting English, guaranteeing immediate success and igniting that vital spark of what happens next. Now, watch their skills blossom and their imaginations soar as they progress to level 2, A1, movers, like wandering deeper into an enchanted forest, discovering new paths and hidden wonders. The adventure deepens as they dance in the enchanted castle with Beauty and the Beast, discovering true beauty within. They'll bravely tiptoe through the deep woods alongside Little Red Riding Hood, encountering both danger and friendship. Students will marvel as Thumbelina, a tiny girl born from a flower, embarks on a perilous journey where she escapes a scheming toad with a fish's help, finds refuge with a demanding field mouse, and is eventually carried to happiness by a kind bird. Then they'll feel the thrilling climb up the towering stalk with Jack and the Beanstalk, facing giants and finding treasure. Here, we gently expand vocabulary and introduce slightly more complex sentences, keeping them utterly hooked. Finally, prepare to be amazed as they reach level 3, A2, flyers, like ascending to the royal castle in the clouds, where the views are grand and every challenge is mastered. They'll fall down the rabbit hole into the whimsical, nonsensical world of Alice in Wonderland, where they'll encounter bizarre characters like the Mad Hatter and the Queen of Hearts in a truly bewildering adventure. They'll discreetly observe the townspeople's reactions to the king's new clothes, learning about honesty and perception. Your students will carefully sample the porridge and try the chairs with the curious Goldilocks and the 3 bears, understanding consequences. And they'll embark on a whirlwind journey down the yellow brick road with Dorothy, her scarecrow, Tin Woodman, and Cowardly Lion, seeking the wizard only to discover their own inner wisdom, heart, and courage were there all along. At this level, the vocabulary is richer, the plots more intricate, and the English more nuanced. Students aren't just decoding words, they're truly living the stories, applying every skill they've built to grasp complex plots and characters. Each story leaps to life with beautiful illustrations, includes a helpful picture glossary and reading comprehension questions. But the magic extends online. Enhance listening skills with UK accent audiobooks.
The Ugly Duckling. It is a nice day. A mother duck is watching her eggs.
And for truly dynamic vocabulary mastery, dive into our fantastic online interactive vocabulary exercises. Plus, for easy assessment and to efficiently check student progress, answer keys for all questions and exercises are conveniently provided online. by consistently leveraging the universal, immersive appeal of these 12 magical fairy tales. Fairy Tales, Graded Readers for Young Learners transforms English learning into a cohesive and exciting adventure. Discover the full series and transform your children's English journey at eduhome.io today. Fairy Tales, Graded Readers for Young Learners, where young learners immerse in endless adventure.